enjoying this at all. I feel really nervous.
I feel like I'm going to blow up inside.
Oh, bless you.
You nervous?
Yeah.
Put your arms around me, tell me everything's okay.
Have you ever done anything like this before?
I've never done anything to this scale.
You are the fifth judge. I hope you lot bring us some good luck.
Have you done?
Nothing like this before.
On with the audition.
Come on, let's do it.
Great.
Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Mark, but a lot of people call me the Mad Mark.
The Mad Mark?
Yes.
OK, where are you from?
I'm from Bristol.
Bristol, and how old are you?
I'm 26.
26. Do you have a day job?
Yeah, I work in a supermarket.
OK, good luck.
Open your eyes, what can you see? Look into my soul and set me free.
Not a fan of the 80s, David.
Well, the 80s are back in the 80s. Let's leave the past behind, Mad Mark.
We need to bring it back.
I don't mind bringing it back if it's done well. That monstrous thing, whatever it is, when you start to play it, I mean, was just horrific.
Listen to the crowd.
It's a no.
Thanks to the crowd.
The audience, they've just been a little bit more tough in Birmingham.
I've been hiding my nerves all day, but now I'm sitting here waiting to go on. I'm like, bricking it. Yeah.
Hello.
What's your name?
Oliver Reynolds,
Where are you from?
Milton Keynes.
What do you do for a living?
I wrecked marquees.
Fantastic. Best of luck then. Oh, buzzing. Is that it?
No way.
Yeah, that was it.
That's it.
Lame.
It was lame.
We're ready for you on stage.
OK.
Have fun, enjoy.